Hey guys, it's Andrew here at Ross Motorsports in Lufkin, Texas, your authorized Bass Cat dealer. Here I'm standing beside 2020 Bass Cat Puma FTD. This is the new SP package for 2020. We have upgraded to Ultrix 112 on the front, Helix 9 on the front, Helix 9 on the back, powered by the V8 Mercury twin power poles. It's ready to head to the lake. If you have any questions on this boat or any of our other inventory, check out my website, rossmotorsports.com, or give us a shout, 936-465-5551. Remember, financing is available and trades are welcome. Thank y'all.